Hello viewers, welcome to Aniza's Tech Tutorials. To get my services of graphic designing, social media marketing, and WordPress development, contact me on my Instagram. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can download latest version of JDK. To open, click the link in the description and then follow the steps. Open the Oracle site and scroll down. Here are the versions for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Click on Windows and download the 205.27 megabyte version. After completing download, open File and click on Next. Again, click on Next and wait until the process completed. Then click on Close. Open the C drive where JDK is installed. Here, open Program Files, Java and Bin. Click on Bin and copy the path. Open Window and type Environment Variables. Open it. Under Advanced, choose Environment Variables, then choose Path, choose New and paste the path. Click on OK, OK, and again, OK. Then again, open the window and type CMD, open it, and type Java space hyphen hyphen and version. Press Enter and hear the installation, and its setup is completed. For more informative videos, like and subscribe to Aniza's Tech Tutorials.